Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, Mom.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 o'clock.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well.
What will you do now?
Rahul, breakfast is ready.
Thank you, Mom.
What would you like to eat?
I would like bread and eggs.
Here is your breakfast.
It looks delicious.
Don't forget to drink milk.
Okay, Mom, I will drink it.
Eat slowly.
Yes, Mom. Raoul, are you ready for work? Yes, Dad. I am ready. Do you have your bag? Yes, I do. Do you have your phone? Yes, I have it. How will you go to work? I will go by bus. Have a nice day. Thank you, Dad.
Good morning, Rahul.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
Are you ready to walk?
Yes, sir. I am ready.
Please help the customers.
Sure, sir.
Keep smiling.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Rahul.
Hi, Amit.
Are you having lunch?
Yes, I am.
What are you eating?
I'm eating rice and vegetables.
Is the food tasty?
Yes, it is very tasty.
Great.
Let's eat together.
Welcome home, Rahul.
Thank you, Mom.
How was your day?
It was very good.
Were you busy?
Yes, I was busy.
Did you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoyed it.
That's nice.
I learned many new things today.
What are you doing now? I am drinking tea. What will you do after tea? I will go for a walk. That's a good habit. Thank you, Dad. Do some exercise, too. Sure, Dad.
Rahul, it is time to sleep.
Okay, Mom.
Did you finish your dinner?
Yes, I did.
Did you prepare for tomorrow?
Yes, everything is ready.
Good night, Rahul.
Good night, Mom.
Sweet dreams.
Thank you.
Daily routine vocabulary. Wake up. Get out of bed. Brush teeth. Clean your teeth. Take a bath. Wash your body. Breakfast. Morning meal. Go to work. Travel to your workplace. Lunch. Afternoon meal. Return home. Come back home. Exercise. Physical activity. Dinner. Evening meal. Sleep. Rest at night. Practice tip. Read this conversation aloud 3 times every day to improve your English speaking confidence, pronunciation, and fluency.